How to connect your smart TV box to your PC monitor. With all the converters and connectors available in the market, which ones work and which ones don't? I tried the HDMI to VGA adapter. It started to boot up, but I can't adjust the resolution of the monitor. Then the monitor display just went dead. I also tried VGA to HDMI converter. This is even worse. Nothing is displayed on the monitor at all. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Or maybe I bought the wrong HDMI converters. Hey wait, maybe I can try the AV2VGA converter that I used to connect my DVD player. With the cables and splitter I have at home, I experimented with plugging cables here and there. This is not the most ideal setup. But this is what worked for me. To use this, I am going to need It worked, but how to connect? Plug in the 3.5mm audio cable into the AV jack of the smart TV box. Plug the white RCA connector of the AV cable into the video input of the converter. There is video display but no sound. Plug the RCA splitter into the red input. Plug the red AV cable on one side. I already connected the other end of the RCA cables at the back of the amplifier. Plug the other end of the RCA to RCA cable at the remaining slots on the converter box. It now has audio. How to add a karaoke mixer if your amplifier or receiver doesn't have a microphone jack. If you have multiple connections on your amplifier, a RCA Splitter 3-way audio-video switch box would be helpful. To connect the mixer to your sound system, plug one end of a RCA cable to the jack marked to amp, and the other end of the RCA cable at the back of the amplifier or receiver. Plug in another RCA cable on the other jacks marked from VCR or audio. Connect the other end of the RCA cable on the output of the 3-way RCA splitter. This will serve as a controller box for audio output of various connections. Just slide to where your input is connected. On the converter box, instead of connecting the two RCA cables to the back of the amplifier, remove them from the amplifier and connect them to the input part of the RCA splitter. Remember to switch the amplifier to the one that corresponds to the RCA connection you made at the back. Turn on the mixer for sound. You can also adjust volume from here. To switch to watching DVDs, just unplug the RCA cables from the converter box and plug in the yellow cable from the DVD. I made a video on how to watch DVDs on your PC monitor using the same converter box. Just switch to where your DVD is connected in the RCA splitter box to turn on the sound.
Funny how from simple things the best things begin.